Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone else you think would enjoy it. That all really helps the channel out. Today we're doing puzzle 102. And if we start with this box, looks like we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5. Oh, that's not going to help us, so we don't really have... Let's see. Oh, we have a 7 here. Okay, so 5, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 2, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 4. 3 here, so 1, 4. 4 here, so 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. But we've got a 4 here, so this is our 1, 4, 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row, we're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 9. 3 here, so 1, 9. 9 here, so 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here and a 1 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so 3, 1. That makes this our 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're missing a 5. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this top row, we're missing 8 and 9. I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 7. 7 here, so 1, 4. 4 here, so 1, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. That 7 makes this our 4, 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 2 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.